Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the Assistive Tech and Weekly Gaming on the Go channel. Today we will be filming an unboxing video for you guys. So let's just set down the camera. There we go. So now, without any further ado, let's unbox the all new power bank. It's small, compactable and easy to carry. This is the box. This is the actual charger. In it comes a small compactable USB-C cable, and therefore it is it's just like this. Inside here is a USB-C cable. Standard, plugs into the charger like so, and plugs into the iPhone like so. If I can find the little bar to show you how many has left, you can see that it's, oh right, the camera, sorry guys. Oh my god, well, yeah, you get the idea. There is 3 bars charged, which means that it is 90% charged mostly, and I'd like to pay a massive tribute to Apple sponsoring this. And yeah, that is the new all-in-one, no sorry, not all-in-one, the new Apple compactable power bank unboxing. Just thought I'd show everything. That's the port, anyone interested in it, that's the port. And yeah, this thing has, I believe, triple the processing speed of what a normal power bank can have. And actually, my mistake, it is only 2 of 3 bars charged, which means it's only 50% charged. But yeah, that's the new one Apple unboxing video.